First fish for the session. Lovely thin perfect chub, for about 10 to 12 ounces. Lovely looking fish. So just get a slip back. Hopefully there's a few more to come. Welcome back to another episode of the Angling Journals. Today just joined me fishing down on a local river with Fred Phillips. Just chub fishing. I've had a nice one already which you've just seen. Lovely looking small intimate river with some lovely fish in it, so we're going to be roving up and down and hopefully we can catch a few, so I'll see you in a bit. So I've just had this little fish. It's looks to me like it could be a Dace Roach hybrid. Fred thinks so as well. It's quite a weird fish. It hasn't got the roach fins, and it has got the Dace type fins, but then it's got like a roach shape. So I'm not too sure really, but nice fish. Take on the bobworms, so I'll get it slipped back. It's quite a nice fish, probably about 8 to 9 ounces. But let's get it slipped back. Lovely fish.
Right, so I've just had my first fishing session. Just got this lovely roach, just quite a sharp bite, and yeah, it's a bit washed out, but it's really nice. Red coloration to the fins, and yeah, it's quite a wide little roach, so yeah, quite happy with this one. Let's get it slipped back.
Right, so I thought I'd just take a moment to talk you through my setup. On there, choosing a quite a big lobworm, and then a size 16 hook. It's quite a big one, and it's got a big hook for the size 16. Usually it's quite a small, but this is the Corum Specialist, so it's quite a big one. And then I've got 2 SSG shots and 6 pound all the way through. So I'm going to get this one cast in. So this is a lovely looking area of the river. It's quite a narrow part. There's some lovely snags around here. It's one of my favourite bits of this river. I've had a few fish from it before, and I know Fred's had quite a few nice ones. Just last week he had I think it was £3. But there it is, lovely looking There we are, and over there's a nice snag. And that's where I'm casting. I just had a nice bite. But unfortunately, it didn't become of anything, so I cast back out. I'm getting a few little taps, but nothing major. Fred's just fishing downstream. Zoom in, there's a few nice taps on the rod tip there. Right, so here we are, third fish of the session for me. Lovely looking chub, probably about 12 ounces to a pound. But lovely looking fish. Mint as they all are in here. So we get it slipped back. We've got a few more spots to try, and then we'll head off home, but lovely looking fish. Let's get it slipped back.
Right, so I've just had a few bites in this swim just here, and eventually got this chub in. It's probably about £2, washed out colour as suspected due to the floods, but yeah, it's really nice. Wide fish that's just taken on the lobworm, and yeah, good little fight. And yeah, I think we're gonna head off now. I'll fish 1 or 2 more swims, so I'll get this one slipped back, and yeah, speak to you in a bit.
After this fish, we decided to head off home. Although there wasn't any big fish this session, we had a great time roving about on a small river, and we hope to get back down there soon. Thanks for watching, and tight lines.